Hi guys, in this video I shall be teaching you how to launch a YouTube channel with easy steps. So you locate any browser of your choice and you search www.youtube.com. So this is the browser I'll be using. This is Chrome. This is Microsoft Edge. This is Microsoft Edge. So you can use Chrome, you can use Mozilla Firefox. So you can type www.youtube.com and you click enter. So it's loading. So this is the YouTube interface. So YouTube is just like a university where you can learn anything. For instance, you want to learn how to trade forex. For instance, you search how to trade forex. How to trade forex is foreign exchange. Okay, so if you want to trade foreign exchange currencies, so you can say, you see options here, how to trade forex for beginners and all that. Let me click the first option here. So these are the videos on forex, how to trade forex. So you can of course learn a bunch of skills using the YouTube. For instance, you are interested in social media marketing, so you can ask YouTube how to you can ask how to venture into digital marketing. This is marketing. So you click enter. So these are videos on digital marketing, how I would learn digital marketing. This is digital marketing in 5 minutes and so on. For instance, you want to learn Microsoft Word, how to make use of Microsoft Word. So you can query it, how to make use of Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft there. Okay, I can say Microsoft Excel or Word. Let's see the options here. So these are the videos for this. So what am I saying in essence? Just as you see people uploading videos, different types of videos in their different niches, you can as well create a YouTube channel and showcase your talents. For instance, you are good in baking. You can create a YouTube channel and teach people how to bake. If you are the type that cooks very well and you have a good environment, you can create a YouTube channel and teach people how to cook amazing foods. You see, this is a way of earning money. Is a way of earning money. Is part of skill acquisition. So if you are the type that is good into software, you want to venture into software development or app development or programming, there are videos here. So if you want to learn, let's say Python programming, say Python programming. So these are videos on Python programming, different videos on Python programming. Alright, so for instance, again, you are the type that you're not good at writing term paper and you are a student, so you can through YouTube learn how to write a quality term paper. So you can search on YouTube how to write a quality term paper. How to write a quality term paper. So let's see the options here. You see 5 steps to write a research paper, how to write a term paper. So you see that at the end you will not have need of meeting anybody to perform any kind of research for you. So in my next video I might teach how to write a very good term paper using an AI tool. But this video is focusing on how to create a YouTube channel. I have just taken few minutes now to show you different channels, different educational channels that are obtainable on YouTube, so you as well can have one. So this is, let's say, Naselefa Academy. Now this is Naselefa Academy. This is my channel. So this is my channel. Let me open it. So this is Naselefa Academy, and I have plenty of videos here. I have plenty, up to 175 videos. So you can create a YouTube channel and start posting your content. Okay, in our last video I showed you how to, these are thumbnails, YouTube thumbnails. You have to make it catchy so that someone seeing it will find it interesting to click. Okay, so you create amazing YouTube thumbnail. I have shown you how to do that using the Canva Pro. So you can search the video on this channel and watch. So how do you, for instance, now watch videos on YouTube? For instance, I have just opened Naselefa Academy. Even before entering this, let me show you something. You enter YouTube. This is YouTube. Let me go back. This is the YouTube interface. So you can search Naselefa Academy. Naselefa Academy. This is Naselefa Academy. You see the latest video I have uploaded. This is the Naselefa Academy. So we have about 1.5k subscribers. I've told you that the essence of this subscription is so that once the creator uploads video, you will see it. You see, once the creator uploads video, for instance, this video now creates eye-catching YouTube thumbnail using Canva Pro. Assuming you are a part of this channel, you are subscribed, and you on your data, you will see this notification. So let me go back. So this is my channel. For instance, you want to watch video on electromagnetism, so you can locate the playlist. So you have different videos already. You see, mechanisms and properties of matter. You have videos here. Practical physics problems. You have videos here. Kirchhoff's law. Okay, you have different videos on in mathematics and sciences. So this is my channel, and of course, as I've said, you can create your own video. For instance, this is the YouTube Studio. If you have monetized your channel, you can actually be earning from it, and that is just the good thing about it. So you can be earning from it. Okay, so you can see how this one is reading. You can actually earn more when you put in more effort. So let me go back to how to create a YouTube channel. So how can I create YouTube channel? For instance, now I downloaded a YouTube app. So okay, let me stop this. So if you download a YouTube app, or if you decide to go through Google, you can search www.youtube.com. You enter it just as I've entered. So you locate this icon at the top right hand side. Of course, you now see that I have inputted my picture there. So normally you will see a blank picture here. You click it, you say view your channel. So it means that you have a YouTube channel already. Once you log in into YouTube with your Google account, you see Google account. So once you click here, you say view channel. Now I want to show you another Google account I have, so that I can show you how to create YouTube with it. So let me say switch accounts. It's loading. Switch account. This is Neselefa Academy. Okay, let's look at this one. This is Malaki Asogwa. Let's look at it. So this is loading. This is loading. So you're saying try searching to get started. Then I can search Neselefa Academy. Neselefa Academy. You see, this is coming out because I'm using it for the first time. So if you now click at the top right hand side, you see that this is a new channel now. I can view it. So what can you do with this? You can change this name and you can change this picture. Different types of settings you can do here. See settings, you can do so many things here. Then if you now want to upload your first video, you see create. You see create button here. So if you want to create your first video, you can click here. See upload the video. So this is upload video. Go live. You want to go live, you click here. You want to create post. For instance, now let me click YouTube Studio for this channel. Now this is a YouTube Studio, and this is the dashboard. So it's showing zero the analytics, the channel analytics, 0 subscribers. So this is one of my email accounts, Google accounts. So I have no subscribers here. Okay, so monetization, let me look at monetization. You see, start your earning journey earlier. So I have nothing here to show. I have nothing here to show. So you can do all sorts of editing. You see settings. You can decide to change this picture. You can decide to change this picture. Look at it. This is the picture. You can customize your channel and you can manage your videos. You can as well upload videos through this. So these are different ways how you can go around YouTube channel creation. So if this video has helped you, or if you have learned something from this video, you give it a like and subscribe for more video updates like this. Do well to have a wonderful day. Thank you.